Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you how to classify sentences for grammar. We've been working on this in class, but I just want to give you a reminder of how to do it, and I think it's helpful for mom and dads who are not in class when we learn this. So when we're classifying sentences, classify just means to identify what kind of word each word in the sentence is. And we write little codes above each word so that we can show that we've identified it. So at the top here, I wrote down the steps for classifying sentences, and this is thus far for the two kinds of words that we've learned. The list will grow, the list of steps will grow as we learn more types of words in grammar. So the first step is to just read the sentence. Pretty simple. Step 2 is to look for the subject noun. And we identify a subject noun with the letters SN, subject noun. When we're identifying a subject noun, we're going to ask who or what. We ask who if the subject noun is a person, and we use what if the subject noun is a place, thing, or animal. And then step 3 is we look for the verb, which we shorten that by using the letter V. So I'm going to show you how I will read these sentences down below with kind of a question and response sequence, and I'll also use my little pen to write the letters SN above the subject nouns and V above the verbs. So I'll start with this first sentence right here. So my first sentence, or my first step is read it. Frogs hop. Then I'm going to identify the subject noun. I notice that my subject noun is frogs. That is not a person, so I'm going to use what. What hops? And then now I'm going to answer it. Frogs. Subject noun. So I'm asking myself the question about the subject noun, and I answer it. What hops? Frogs. Subject noun. Then I'm going to ask and answer myself a question about the verb. What is being said about frogs? Frogs hop. Verb. So I'll put all three of them together so you can hear the whole question-answer sequence for this sentence, frogs hop. Frogs hop. What hops? Frogs. Subject noun. What's being said about frogs? Frogs hop. Verb. All right, we'll move on to the next one. So the next sentence is girls giggle. For step number 1, first I just read it. Girls giggle. Easy. Step number 2, I'm going to ask a question about the subject noun and then answer it. I notice the subject noun this time is girls, which is a person, so I'm going to use the question word what to go, who to go with it. So I read it, girls giggle. Who giggles? Girls. Subject noun. Then I'm going to ask and answer a question about the verb. What is being said about girls? Girls giggle. Verb. So then the whole thing, when I put it all together without pausing to explain it, is girls giggle. Who giggles? Girls. Subject noun. What is being said about girls? Girls giggle. Verb. All right, let's move on to the next one. These last two, I'll just do the whole sequence, all 3 steps together without pausing to explain it. So this one, I noticed before I start that the subject noun is people. People is obviously people, so I'm going to use who for my question word for identifying the subject noun. People walk. Who walk? People. Subject noun. What is being said about people? People walk. Verb. All right, and then I have one last one. Again, I'm going to check that subject noun before I start. I notice it's bugs, and bugs is an animal, so I'm going to use the question word what. Bugs fly. Who flies? Bugs fly. What flies? Bugs. Subject noun. What is being said about bugs? Bugs fly. Verb. All right, so hopefully that helps remind the students of how to classify sentences and helps moms and dads on understanding how to help your student do this at home. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.